Hey guys, we're back and doing another one of those fun recording videos. Again, sorry you guys are missing out on the wonderful face and all that stuff, but another fun app that I've got and I'm really use a lot is GasBuddy. This app is obviously been around for a couple years, but nonetheless, it's still a great one. What this does is, of course, tells you all your cheapest gases around you, near you, where you're going. We do a lot of work all over West Texas, and we so many times I need to see, hey, is the gas cheaper where I'm going or where I'm at? So a lot of times what I'll do is, of course, as soon as you get in here, you can enter a location. You can any city, of course, it'll pick it up, and or you just hit this button right here that says find gas near you. Boom, let it do its quick search, and you can, of course, GasBuddy is also built on how do we say, user information. So of course, if we went over here to the Murphy gas station, we'd be able to report the price. We'd come in here, enter, was it $2.91, whatever that is, and then we're gonna get that. As soon as you enter it, you are gonna be you're gonna get points, and this is based on a point system. It's to really be user generated, but also user rewarding at the same time. So they do all kinds of things. It's like gas gift cards and all that stuff. And but yeah, you can see where we're at. You can come up here, hit regular. This is of course regular gasoline, and we're having a little bit of problems. Let's see if we can get it responding back to us. But right now we're having a little bit of problems with the GasBuddy app, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into it, swipe it up, and I'll let it do a quick reboot. But while I got you guys, we'll just keep it rolling from here. No need to start a new video. But yeah, we'll go ahead and, like I said, hit gas prices near me. That'll be brought up again. Of course, you can see where we're at. A lot of these do need some reported prices. I'm not in a real popular city right now. But yeah, so you can come up here regular. You can tell it mid-grade. There's your mid-grade price. You can tell it premium. Premium's a pretty big one out here in West Texas. We kind of have that Colorado mentality with the higher elevations. We do a lower octane fuel. So we do a lot of 86s. I think I've even seen some 85s. So that's kind of our cheapo regular, not where I'm originally from. We do, of course, our base is 87. So with those elevations out here, I know that they kick those octanes down a little bit. But yeah, I mean, so you can come up here, and premium is a big one. Where I'm originally from, the Midwest, we'd usually see about a 30 to 40 cent spread between premium and regular. But out here in West Texas, I see anywhere from 50 to 70 some odd cents per gallon. So this is kind of a big one. This is if you use premium, if you got any of the the fancy cars, you got to do that. Of course, we've got diesel. You even got your E85 you could do in there. Of course, those are a little bit tougher to find, but yeah. So you come around here, you can sort it by distance, price, all kinds, amenities to the gas stations, all kinds of goofy things. You always come up here and just hit the map if you wanted to, and then look at it through that. Of course, you come over to win. You can see that I've got 12,000 points just from doing some reporting. You'd enter, I've got 12 available entries for $100. I'm assuming it's a gas card. And they've got little challenges and fun stuff that you can go through and report 2 diesel prices. Of course, you'll get 200 bonus points. So it was a fun app, especially when I first got it. I've kind of fallen off a lot since then, but I just use it for I don't really report a whole lot, but I definitely do it to find the gas. And then yeah, that's the GasBuddy app. It's a great app to have, especially if you plan on some road trips. You do a lot of driving like we do. So, hey, hope this one helps you guys out. It's nothing fancy, but yet, again, one of those things that I really, really use, and hope that other people, might find this a little helpful if, you don't quite know how to use the app or never even heard of it, hopefully. But if you guys, of course, like the video, comment, subscribe to us, do it all. I'm just kind of bringing you things that really help me out, and I hope it portrays onto you guys as well. So as always, thanks again for tuning in, and can't wait to see you guys in the next one. And you guys have a good one. See you guys.